Hello, here we are. My name is Jorge Bogantes. I'm the Natural Resources Specialist at the Anacostia Watershed Society. And today we are here at our nursery and we're gonna be planting American Lotus. Let's see the picture of the flower. So let me show you here. This is my daughter Aurora. She's volunteering today and she's showing the picture of American Lotus. So the seeds that we're planting today in this nursery wet beds are gonna become huge, beautiful plants called American Lotus. You can see the nice yellow, hence the scientific name, Nelumbo lutea. Lutea in Latin means yellow, and then it's gonna have those big, wide, yellowish petals right there. So we have some pots ready here. You can put the picture back, Aurora. So we have some pots ready in the wet bed. And then we've got the seeds. Let me talk about the seeds a little bit. So these were, we have a permit from the Maryland DNR to collect them at Mattawoman Creek, which is a tributary of the Potomac. So what we did, we collected the seed pots. This is our first sort of experiment. And we soaked the seeds in water for a week. First, we sort of like nick them or slice them a little bit. You can see the cotyledon or the endosperm. That's the tissue, the energy reserves of the seeds that will make the plant grow. And so after a week in water, the embryos start to grow. You can see this nice one here. These will become leaves, and as you can see, it's splitting into two halves. The cotyledons. Again, those are the energy reserves for the seeds. So Aurora is going to show you here how to do it. So first of all, let's get a seed right here. Let's get one of the seeds, and then
you're gonna put a hole, and then you're gonna start letting it drown.
Okay, so let's start with the first pot right there. We're gonna make a hole there. Dig a little hole with your finger, and then we're gonna
let it drown.
And maybe let's show you with this one right here, with the hole. Let's dig a little hole with the finger and then put the seed facing up, and voila, that's it. So again, these plants are gonna grow pretty big. So very soon after germination, we are gonna put them into bigger pots, and yeah. Exactly. And again, these plants are native. This is the native lotus of the Anacostia River. What you see at the Kenilworth Aquatic Gardens, the pink ones, that's an Asian species, non-native. It's not invasive, but it's non-native. But this one right here is the native to this part of the world, the American lotus. We only have like 3 populations in the Anacostia River. Actually, one of them was propagated by us, by Anacostia Watershed Society, years ago, back before my time. So right now we're sort of relearning the process of how to propagate this plant.
Because they need space, and while they get space, they need some time. So while they grow into pretty flowers, they're gonna be like the same thing as the picture.
Yes, they're gonna grow into that beautiful big flower. So actually, the interesting part about these seeds is that they were sitting on someone's car. Actually, Beth is a volunteer and Watershed Stewards Academy alumna, and and she donated the seeds, and surprisingly they germinated after being in a car for a year and a half. And again, like I said before, we had permission from the Maryland DNR to collect seed at Mattawoman Creek, so we're gonna go back later in late summer, August, September, when the new fresh seed pods are out there. We're gonna collect them, maybe via kayak, maybe a possible volunteer event down the road. We'll talk about that later.
All of the flowers need to be spread out so they can look beautiful. And because they need the sun because you know what could happen if they had sun and wind and.
Okay, all right. So we're gonna collect more seed later in the early fall.
We're gonna
Wait a second, and then we're gonna plant them again for the next season. So again, American Lotus to propagating the Anacostia River, and stay tuned. We're gonna keep you updated on how this first test goes, and.
I never ever did this, but it's kind of fun because you know what? If you've never done it, you might be good at it.
All right, say goodbye.
Bye.
Okay, goodbye. Stay safe, folks.